the top 5 cutest birds in the world. In a world brimming with beauty, there exists a realm of enchantment where tiny feathers and innocent eyes ignite smiles and warm hearts. Join us on a delightful journey as we uncover the top 5 cutest birds. The little creatures that remind us of the magic woven into nature's tapestry. Number 5. Lovebirds. Our journey concludes in a realm of love and companionship. The world of lovebirds. These small parrots are a testament to the power of affection and connection. With their vibrant plumage and endearing behaviors, lovebirds remind us that the bond of love is not confined to human hearts alone. Number 4. Barn owl. Under the moonlit sky, the barn owl casts a spell of fascination. With heart-shaped faces and large, soulful eyes, they captivate us with their silent flights and enigmatic charm. The barn owl's unique beauty and mysterious aura remind us that there's magic even in the darkness of the night. Number 3. Coca. Our adventure takes us to the sunny landscapes of Australia, where the Coca reigns as the cutest marsupial of them all. With its perpetually smiling face and a demeanor that radiates happiness, the Coca captivates hearts near and far. These miniature marvels remind us that sometimes a simple smile can light up the world. Number 2. Penguin. From the distant lands of ice and snow, another tale unfolds, the story of the penguin. Waddling in unison, these dapper creatures create a symphony of cuteness. Their formal attire and unique way of life make them the embodiment of charm in the cold wilderness. From sliding on bellies to huddling in communal warmth, penguins exemplify the power of unity and heartwarming gestures. Number 1. Puffin. Our journey begins on rocky shores, where the puffin reigns with its charming antics. With a face that appears adorned in a colourful mask, the puffin is a master of both land and sea. Its clumsiness on land is endearing, and its prowess in the water is nothing short of breathtaking. With its orange beak and soulful eyes, the puffin is a symbol of joyful exuberance by the coast. And so, our enchanting expedition through the realm of cuteness comes to an end. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the forest, these little creatures carry within them the magic of innocence and wonder. As we marvel at their irresistible charm, let's remember that the world of nature is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for joining us on this heartwarming adventure. Let the cuteness of these precious beings remind you that amidst life's complexities, the simplest joys often hold the greatest enchantment. Until we meet again, keep your hearts open to the magic that surrounds us every day.